Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, guys? What's going on? Dano Web. Crassenstein starts chant. That's funny. Vandy, what's up, dude? Thanks for waking me up anytime. Cameron, good morning, buddy. What is TNL hype? Who knows? Guys, it is day 44 of Knightfall. You've been following the game for 44 days. Kind of weird. Kind of cool. Kind of awesome. Kind of everything. Hope everyone had a great night / morning. Because I know a lot of you were watching my wife's stream. It's only like 3 hours after that, right? So let's do it, guys. What's up? This is the game she made, which is pretty awesome. We're gonna open up Knightfall, which still doesn't have the name Knightfall because I don't know why. They'll just call it 2D forever. New update available for A star. Remind me later. I don't even use A star yet. I might use A star in the future. Definitely, possibly, most likely. All right. Let's bring up the Trello. I was waiting. All right. So guys, we've done a lot for this patch. Like, there's been a lot of stuff. I'm gonna fix the control screen today, so this is still working on the controls menu. That's gonna be the main thing we do. So let's jump into that right away. I realized that it looks way too cluttered. Like, look at this cluttered mess. Look at that. Look at that horse. Way too cluttered. Almost frustrating. You get in this game and you're like, what the crap, right? That's what I would do. A-Star Artificial Intelligence, yeah, it's pretty great. I just don't use it yet. I don't have a need to. Right now they just pursue you. I don't have to do anything special. So when this becomes more difficult, you are gonna call off work today. You aren't gonna call off of work again today, are you? Nah, man. Now today's gonna be a. I have to go to work today, I think. And do a bad influence on you? Oh, you're funny. Thanks for that, Dana Webb. I appreciate the influence possibility. But no, I'm gonna have to go into work today. As much as I don't want to. As much as work sucks. Okay, so we got a problem. This is way too cluttered, right? So what I'm thinking we do is we move the OK button down. Right here. Move this OK button down. Move him down to here. Is he in the middle? He is in the middle. Move him down to here. And then we did Unity and 2 days ago. A-Star is just as easy. Oh, neat. As for I don't know. There's like a demo screen and everything too. So when there's a demo screen, it terrifies me a little bit. So, alright. So let's see. The order of this would probably be. First off, I need to make it smaller. So let's make it tinier. Whoop. $60. This 3D spiders scare you? A little bit. Let's try 2 point. Let's just try 2. You can still see it. Is that too tiny? It's not too tiny. Okay, so tab can go down more. Oh, oops. Tab go there. Then we can go like this. And then we can go bring space and attack should be near each other. So attack went down to 16, and space was at 2. Nav meshes in Unity are amazing. I'm using them to make a train around a track and it works pretty well. Nice! Awesome idea, man. Good stuff. So now everything looks too tiny. I'm gonna see how everything fits, and I'll have to resize it accordingly. Negative 465, 467, close. Close. Yeah. Tab. So 58. 4. That's why. There we go. Even. So do I even have to say movement? Like, is this question, guys? Is this given that WADs or up, down, left, right needs to move around? Is that given, or should I actually still write the word movement? You know, like, when does it become a given thing? Like a no crap Sherlock. And when does it still? Missed that question. Do I need the word movement here? It's a given, but you never know. Do you think this is completely obvious that it would be movement? I think it'd be a little bit more intuitive if the section headings are in bold and descriptions are in normal font. I can do that. I had just made everything bold, but that made when everything's bold, nothing's bold, right? So I would need to fix that. Wouldn't be too big of a deal. Anyways, just make all the font the size that I want it to be. This needs to be 60. This needs to be 60. And the arrows, maybe scale down. It's so tiny. I'm gonna do 0.7. Alright. The arrow keys, remember to put the arrows in the gray box, the other keys. That way they connect the dots. There's the arrow key. Oh, it's a good idea. I am planning on supporting mapping to controllers. Yeah, I want it to be controller able. But I figured if we have that a possibility, then it'll just say it'll say controls, and then it'll have like a switch right here, and it'll say keyboard, mouse, or it'll say keyboard, and then if you hit the right button, there'll be like a little right arrow. It'll say gamepad, and then these will change. But yeah, good call, dude. Good call. Actions, action pickup, action pickup. What is it? What is this? Action text. Dude, I'm exhausted watching my wife stream last night. Oof. I'm trying to fix her bug. Vandy, she had a bug. So the tutorial. Listen to this. The tutorial put 2 of her sounds. All of her sounds were on her player. except for the ones when she would hit the wall, and then the sounds would be on the wall, and then there would be a sound manager calling those sounds from that wall. And I don't understand why they would ever put the sounds on the wall, because the wall was instantiated procedurally. So it would instantiate, and it would be, the wall wouldn't have any sound files because it was instantiating the game objects. So it was very odd, and I couldn't figure it out. But she finished the tutorial. She got further than I did, and I never finished it. So kudos to her. It was so stupid. Ozzy, what's up? Like, but you should be able to push the sounds in the prefab. Yeah, but it wasn't working. Try the tutorial soon. I think I lost interest in the tutorials after 30 seconds. Hey, my wife did a great job of sticking through that entire thing, dude. Like, for real. She's a champion. So let's see here. Let's bring everything up a little bit. So space, tab. Let's go like that. That looks better, right, guys? And if I just move all of it. So then if I just move all of it. Space, attack, tab. Movement commands. That's looking pretty good. And then we just take the movement. Stats text. Space attack. Stats text. Action text. 1, 2, 4. Unbold these. These are not bolded. Really? Oof. They're not bold. You're bringing me on ideas here. Now one drop sound that plays no matter what. Oh, really? Huh. Hey, Snail. That's funny. Okay, so I think that looks better. So, surprise, DanaWeb. Controls is bold, and everything else is not bold. How funny is that? Oh, this one's bold. Oh. Attack? I'll do that. Web Dragon today, dude. I can't wait to see the what's going on with Beans Inc. Guys, in probably like an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours time range, Vandy will be streaming the creation of his website for Beans Inc. It looks so good so far. I'm really excited to watch the development of that today and not work. So make sure you go hang out with him later today when he goes live. Follow quick so that you know when he goes live. It won't be long, I promise. He lives in Holland, so, or Netherlands. He lives in both. Yeah. Look at integrating your Steam with loots. Viewers can drop a note, they drop a little ad, and you pay. Dude, DanaWeb, speaking of loots. Speaking of loots, I had tweeted to them, and they got back to me, and I got the okay to be able to enable loots on my system, but I'm iffy about it right now. But I got the okay, so I am actually loots ready, and I'm thinking about it, and I'm trying to figure out whether I want to do it or not. You know, it does seem cool. I mean, you're able to drop a note every 15 minutes. I'm playing with the fact whether I want to do it. Maybe we'll do it on the weekend to test it out. Test it out on Saturday. If you got on my stream, what did you like? I don't know. I don't know if I want that many ads to appear on my stream, right? So, what in my opinion? I know. So, I'm definitely looking into it, and I've been doing a little bit of research on it, seeing if I like it or not. This looks so much better. That looks so good. Very good. Cool. I'm only iffy because of how ads are and how I don't want people to come in, see ads appear in the chat, and then leave. You know what I mean? Thanks, DanoWeb. Appreciate that. Happy you like it. So, okay, so I can re-enable Game Over menu, because that was breaking before. And Win menu is a problem. That's for another day. Bring up that Trello. Okay. Oh, guys. Real quick, let me show you something. Oh, baby. It's here. Hype. Hype. It's massive. I'm going to play with it later today. Because my wife isn't streaming tonight, so that means I can play with it. Yeah. So, the tablet's here, that's right. DanoWeb, it's a giant drawing tablet. So that I can make pixel art and do art and background images and parallaxing, and I can do everything that would be so easy instead of clicking a mouse for every single pixel. So hyped. Yeah, man, it's a awesome draw. What are you gonna draw with it? Stuff. Cameron, I'm gonna draw some stuff that I need to do still, right? There's like pixel art that needs to get done. There's main menu graphics. Pause screen needs to be revamped. I don't like how this is just blocks. I want it to be kind of like a rustic with like spider webs and stuff. Like any new mobs, any boss animations, I can now draw them. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I can't wait. Cannot wait, guys. All right. Add chance to spawn enemies on chest open. That's an awesome idea. I don't remember who said that, but that is like the coolest idea in the world. Like based on the level, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do an enemy ambush. Oh, such a good idea. Okay, script. Let's make this game even harder than it actually is. Enemy ambush. Oh, what a great idea. I don't know if I like that in a blue. I might make it a green instead. Maybe a darker green. That looks better. And totally is a hyperlink. Just like I wish I was able to put a command in chat that would edit this file so that I don't have to do this. And like if like a mod saw or something like that, we could just make it real easy. Speaking of mods. Okay. Let me clean this up like I usually do. That's all I ever do. So this is public, transform, ambush spot. I need a public transform enemy to appear, which is actually going to be an array. Enemies to appear then. Let's get grammar right, guys. Let's get grammar right. Hashtag make grammar right. We need a reference to the chest opening. Private chest opening. Chest open. Let's see what else we need. I don't even know. It's going to be a start. Okay, so it's going to be a void ambush. I think that's all we need. Updated ambush. Okay, so if chest opened dot chest is open, then actually we're just going to it'll sit in the background to check to see if it's open, and that way it doesn't use any processing power. If it's open, then we ambush. Then ambush, and there's ambush is going to cast for an int number of num of enemies. There we go. That's good. And it's going to find out how many enemies it needs based on certain things. So void num of enemies needed. This is actually always going to return an integer. It's actually, yep, number of enemies needed. Okay. This is going to return, it's going to be an int of number. Return number. Okay. So, let's see here, guys. Oh, also, Vandy, thank you for the host. Appreciate that, buddy. You're awesome. And Cupcake with the 4-person host, but you've been asleep for 3 hours. Thank you for the host. You're amazing. Anybody on Cupcake's channel, if you're already watching and you want to tune in, you want to hang out with us in chat, hit that go to channel button right there. Right there. You can hang out in your chat too, but if you want to hang out with us, hit that go to channel. And we're good for we're good friends with Cupcake. Yeah. And you're welcome to hang out with us. So thanks for chilling. Hope you're having a good time. Auto Captain, you got it, man. And Coach Carter 9, thank you for the follow while we were off stream. Coach, you're the best, dude, for real. Appreciate you. Really do appreciate you. I think I'm doing this backward. So, okay. Return number. Number of enemies needed. So, ambush is a probability. So let's see. We're gonna make a new integer random int random equals random dot range between 0 and 1000. Totally. Just a quick reminder, your stream status bar says currently playing Stardew Valley OST in the bottom of your stream window. Yeah, that's actually right, dude. This is Stardew Valley's OST. So that's actually correct. Should I give it a different name? Is that weird? That's the music being played, Stardew Valley. Am I using the wrong kind of English? Yeah. You've been up too long. Completely fine, my man. Completely fine. Yes. Less than or equal to... We're gonna give it a 30% chance. Say the game you're playing, don't mind me. That's fine, dude. So if random is less than or equal to 300, that's a 30% chance. Then we need a bool. Got a domain, got a new company hosting. Hype! Hype, hype, hype! Holy bool. Ambush activate. Equals false. Oh, that's actually true. Less than or equal to 1000. This is false. Okay. And chest open that is open is equal to true. Okay. Chest open equals get component chest opening. Okay. If enemies activate equals true, then we need to put number of enemies needed. And it's a number is going to be player level. So we need XP system. XP system. In private, okay, let me just get component for that. So XP system, XP system equals get component. Nope. Find object of type. XP system. Alright, and then we got number of enemies needed is going to be. That's ridiculous. For real. XP system dot current level plus times. Is times just insane? Let me see. If they're on level 3, they have a chance of spawning 3 enemies or 6 enemies. Alright. This has to be another random. So int random number, random enemies. Put the pupper for us. What? Pet the pupper for us. Oh, the dogs. The cat's right there. You can probably see his butt. He's chilling. The dog just kind of wanders in the morning. Like, he wanted. It wasn't the dog from last night, a different dog. And he just kind of, like, flops around for a while, actually. Into enemies, random enemies, equals random dot range of current level of XP system dot current level minus 1, right? And XP system, this is fair, the current level plus 1. That's good. That's fair. Okay. If random enemies equals 0, then random enemies equals 1. Equals 1. Number equals randoms. Okay. Actually, this doesn't need to be. This doesn't need to collect anything really. This just needs to collect that. Times multiplying and get nothing. Using diminishing scale, say x equals level times something minus 1/3, 1/4 level. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm trying to think. I don't want to do multiply. That's why I'm doing a random range of level your current level minus 1 or plus 1. Somewhere between there and an int, right? Number. I don't need to return number anymore, so it's just. I don't even need this line anymore. It's now void. So that way, like, if you're level 2, it'll spawn between 1 and 3 enemies when you pick up the chest. That's fair, right? But if it's 0, it'll always spawn 1. The chest is open. Activate this. All right. Now we need to instantiate the object original. See what you're doing? Nice, cool. Thanks, dude. Okay, so we need a for each. We need a for each transform. Whoa. Fix help. Okay. For each transform enemy and enemies to appear. Instantiate maybe I shouldn't do that. Maybe I should do it. Maybe I should do a for loop instead. So for int I equals 0, I is less than enemies to appear at length. I plus plus. Okay. Instantiate. No, not T. Screw T. Instantiate enemies to appear I at ambush spot that transform. Ambush spot that transform. Position. returning that identity. As transform. That's overkill. Okay, good to know. Good to know that that's overkill. Sometimes it's not. Oh, actually, this is I is less than random enemies. That's actually what that should be. So that way that calls random enemies. So that means that if the random enemies is 1, it spawns 1 enemy because it actually spawns enemy 0. Perfect. Clone or set parent of this. Actually, enemy clone. So transform enemy clone equals instantiate. Now I did the as transform. As transform. There we go. And then enemy clone dot set parent dot transform. No, it is a transform. Dot set parent equals this. Alright. It's not working. Because it's a method group, I need this. There's no argument given that corresponds to the required form for a number of enemies of enemy ambush. Okay. I'm still fixing that. That's why. Okay. So this is actually going to be ambush, and it's going to be... I don't think I need this again. It's going to automatically do that. I don't even have to even check for that. So ambush. Ambush grabs a random number between 0 and 1,000 if it's under 300, and the chest is the chest for this one is open. Then it's true. And the chest is open, which is true. Then activate ambush, and then number of enemies needed is random enemies between current level 1 and 1. If it's 0, it becomes 1 anyway. For every enemy in the amount of random enemies, instantiate enemies to appear I, which is good. I'm calling from a different group, so I'm so happy that works. At the transform spot, as transform, and then we're going to set parent of this document object. That transform position. That transform. Hey, there we go. That's gonna bug the crap out of it. It's not gonna work. It's totally not gonna work, guys. Alright, so it's gonna open on every... Is it mean if it opens on all the health ones? Okay, so let me mute the UI for now. Let me get all up in the chest holder. Alright, let's go to the first chest in the game, which is here. There needs to be a chest here as well for the key. There's be a chest here. Okay. This one. Enemy ambush. Why is this shader thing looking really ridiculous? That'd be infuriating if you were one hit from dead. Oh, seriously, wouldn't it? Well, I'm changing the health pack to be 20% of your missing health somehow. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do missing health yet, but yeah, I'll figure it out. Hey, gotta wait. All the noises go off, and then I don't know what happened. Well, whoever just followed, thank you so much. I believe Catalyst Games TV. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Thanks for the refollow. You're awesome. Very much appreciated. Nice that the Capigen still goes off. It's pretty cool. Don't get any spammy ideas now. Okay. So the enemy ambush script should have these errors. No, there should be no more errors on here. Well, buddy, apparently you followed before Catalyst Games, and because of that, it knows. It always knows. The all-seeing eye. Twitch is the all-seeing eye. It knows. Completely. Oh wait, I'm getting an array index out of range. Wait, hold on, time out. There we go. Array index is out of range. Because I don't have any enemies set. Duh. Ambush spot. Ambush spots right here. Enemies to appear. They're always going to be spiders, I think. That's fair, because, right? I mean, like, you're not going to see a bunch of skeletons appear out of nowhere. It'd be kind of weird, right? Actually, it'd be really unfair, because the skeletons are freaking hard in this game. So we're just going to go like this. We'll put a group of 3 for now. I think it won't be any more than 3 enemies. I think it's only fair. I think it would be overwhelming if there was more than 3 spiders. So we're just going to set that as well. If random enemies is equal to is greater than or equal to 3, but then just set it to 3 because it's a little ridiculous, right? That went off as soon as I joined. I think Twitch is being weird again. I never unfollowed to refollow. Oh, it's so weird, dude. Well, good to see you. Happy you're hanging out. Oh, it's 6:47 already? Dude, I got up too late this time, guys. I'm sorry. My wife needs to not stream until 2 o'clock in the morning. I need to not bug fix her stream until 2 o'clock in the morning. Let me just make sure this works. So we gotta go fight our way to this one real fast. Okay. No. Well, that got kind of laggy right there, didn't it? Jeez. Why am I dropping frames? 13 frames? What's happening? Time out. Simulate. It's using so much memory. Literally unplayable now. Like, is it just because of this damn script? Hold on, let me see. No, I did it already. Oh, that's why. Like, what the crap, guys? Okay, wait. How do they get through? How do they get through? Oh, I understand what's happening. I understand what's happening. I was gonna take a picture of it. But there's no way to take a picture of that. World's heaviest game. Dude, you see how many spiders are in that room? That was insane. Okay. Unfortunately, I can't stick around. Popping in for a few minutes before work. That's fine, dude. I appreciate you stopping in, though. Thanks so much. You know what? I should probably call ambush from a different script. It probably shouldn't happen in here. That way it doesn't use as much. Where is my chest opening script? Chest opening script. This will be private. This is enemy ambush. Okay. Kill it with fire. Took away for 1 minute and suddenly a million spiders. I was like, why are we dropping frames so bad? Because 18 million spiders got created. It's so funny. Open is true. Then we're gonna do enemy ambush. Dot ambush. The ambush activated equals true. I think no. Enemy ambush dot ambush. There we go. That should work. You're from Unity, the Unity Pro Nuker. Yeah, I definitely just tested my game and it did so poorly. Did I remove it off the other scripts? Let's find out. We've got a much better amount of FPS. We're at 40. It's still not good. 40 FPS for a 2D pixel art game is kind of rough, isn't it? I mean, listen to my computer is like a freaking awesome computer. Okay, so there should be 4 enemies in here as always, and you're like, oh man, that's good. Thank goodness. Oh god! What the crap? What the hell is happening? Oh my god, I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna get some breakfast. Oh my goodness. Well, it's definitely harder now. Yeah, man. Seriously. Freaking impossible. No butts, though. That's right. No butts at all. It's pretty crazy they got fixed with one line of code. Alright. Is it because... Hold on. Oh. Okay, so this should actually not be. This shouldn't be this. This should just be this. It shouldn't be an I. Enemy, and this should be refactored to enemy to appear because it's always gonna be a spider. Make it easier. Man, that's funny. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's so funny. My god. That's great. Okay. If random enemies dot length random enemies equals random enemies dot count. I don't know what to do for that part. That's so funny though. Oh my god. Public pool ambush complete. Okay. If enemy ambush. Enemy. Hold on. Ambush complete. Equals false. Oh yeah, that was so funny, guys. That was great. If ambush complete equals false. And it gets to the top of random enemies. And if random enemies, if I equals, got it, I equals random enemies -1, then set ambush complete to true, equals -1, okay, and set it to true, if ambush complete is equal to true. Man, that is so funny. Maybe put debug that live so you can see how many enemies when the enemies are being spawned. That's a good idea too. Definitely do that. Let me see here. I need to do debug here. Random enemies. See what the number is. Oh yeah, that was so funny. Ambush completed. Cameron, are you going to be streaming today, bud? Did you get everything set up? Are you ready to go? No pressure, of course. I was just curious because you said you were excited about trying. Let's see how that looks. Enemy to appear as a spider. Okay. Got it all set up. Probably do it next week, dude. Can't wait to watch your stream, dude. Let me know when. I'm gonna go follow you. That way I can know when you're gonna go live, and I will definitely tune in. I will follow you as soon as I'm done the stream, which is actually pretty soon. So I'm trying to figure out what this clone was, but I know this, I forgot I have a spawner here. I'm gonna dash. Catch you guys later. Cameron, I'll see you, bud. Thanks for hanging out. I'm almost done anyway. I appreciate it. If we get the enemy spawner thing to work, then I'm gonna apply it to everything. It's gonna be uploaded in a new build today. It's actually this way. Alright, let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. 1. Okay, spawn 1 guy, which is completely fine. Ambush is activated. If ambush is activated, don't do anything. Return on a loop. That worked though. It really did. I mean, I can check that real fast by doing. I'm not even gonna do that. I'm just gonna drop my guy there. In the heat of battle, he's just gonna go right there. So we're gonna quick go like this. No. No. Okay. We're gonna make him level. Player level's not on here, is it? It's the UI actually. So it's gonna be level. Let's do level 4. So 3 enemies should show up, right? Where's my UI at? XP system, right? XP system. Info tab. Game over. Hold on. Player weapon. Player control. How come I can't find it? Ah! Wait, what? Game manager. There we go. Jesus. Level 4. Okay. So level 4. 3 enemies should appear. Come on. That worked! We did it! And they're freaking hard because we're level 4 now. That's right. I completely forgot that nothing else updated. Holy God. Okay. But it worked. Which is great news. That means that the enemy spawner, that means the enemy ambush is actually complete, guys. Clap, 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 clap. Holy God, so much stuff happened. Enemies might ambush during chest open. So that completely changes the feel of the game. So this is actually going to be a good patch. Let me see what's the patch level at right now. No, I have to end 1.1013. That's good. I like that, guys. Ambush complete. That means a build is in order. A build is in order. We are ready to do this. We've got so many bug fixes. So much stuff happened. We'll build to Windows first because Windows is Windows. It's only fair. 64. Main menu. We might as well add loading in there just for the funsies. Just for the funsies. 001 13 0 2013 0013. There we go. This will be inside a new folder called Knightfall 0013. We're doing it, guys. We're doing some builds. The game doesn't bug out anymore. I only put that on one. I screwed up. It needs to be put on all the chests. Crap. Okay. Chest holders. It needs to be put on all chests. Because I'm mean. But it's only fair, right? You're in the dungeon for a long time. I did update the version number. The last time we had a build was 1.2, and now this is 1.3. So we've been getting ready for this. Paste component is new, very good. So now it's on everyone. And now we can build it again. I guess we'll build this as 1.4. No, yeah, might as well. This is actually technically another update. More or less. Builds. Builder. 0, 0. Stop. 1, 4. Save. In the player settings. Wait, did I do that? I don't think I've been doing that. Whoops. Okay. Well. Mac 64 build. Call it 1.4. Speaking of builds, yes, Vanity, I am playing. I have not had time, but because my wife is not streaming, I am playing a game tonight, and I will make you a bug list. I promise. Oops. Is this 1.4? I don't even think I changed the number right. It doesn't really matter too much, does it? I ain't got time for that. Zip. Zip it. Okay. Builds again. Do this one. Zip it. And then itch.io. Edit. And I'll have to add patch notes to while I'm at work. Documents. Engine. That's this builds 1.4 and upload. Mac 1.4. That works. It doesn't say 1.4 because I'm derpy. Windows, Mac. Cool. Whoops. 0.1.4. Placeholder to be updated. Okay. There it is, guys. It's live. Have fun with it. Enjoy it. I hope it works. I really do. I hope it doesn't crash nonstop. I'm sorry if it does. I will update the patch list when I get to work. But until then, it's been so much fun, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out. Who can we raid? Let's see. Who to raid, guys? Who to raid? Let's see. Let's see. We are going to raid That's an interesting thing. Alright. 50 pen is a good one to raid. That's fine, let's do that. Alright. This is the message. Here's the message to raid. Copy that, guys. When you see me post it in his let me see. So copy image address. Oh no. No. Copy link address. Okay. So here is his link. And when you see me post in there, immediately get all hype and talk like crazy about it. Ready? So guys, thank you so much. It's been a blast, and I will see you guys next time. Here we go. Let's rate it. Ready to go? Oh god, I can't spell his name. God, I can't spell his name. Ah! Oh, it's eyes. God damn. We're good now. We're good now, guys. We're good now. There we go.